We cannot drive yet, guys. We're still in the hotel because there's no person inside the office. So we're still waiting for the front desk. So this is another minus.
Muna lang kasi maingay tayo.
Yeah.
Patigil tayo sa mga panels.
Overall experience in the room.
Because of that one, not good.
Oh, okay. 10 over 10. What's your score?
5.
5. Yeah, there should be somebody already. It's already 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock na, no? 8 o'clock in the morning. So what if the guests are...
Paano pala kung umalis tayo ng maaga kanina? Di wala.
Oo. Kaya nga. But dapat 24 hours ang front desk. Lab, kasi nga, paano kapag may aalis na madaling araw, di ba?
That is bullshit.
Okay guys, it's open already. Huwag na. Yan mo na, baka malas pa tayo. Okay guys, see you later.